Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. Let's get started. So once you reach Telegram, you're going to go to the Hamster Kombat bot, and then you're going to click on the button on the bottom left which says play. And now you are going to go to the bottom right corner where it says airdrop. So you're going to select airdrop. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, and then we have two options which says points and then withdrawal. So passive income, or tasks, friends, achievements, Telegram subscription, and then keys. But what we want to do is select withdrawal instead of points. And see that blue button there? It says connect your Ton wallet. So we're going to select that. So now it says connect your Ton wallet. Connect your crypto wallet. If you don't have one, create one in your Telegram account. So we are going to press on the button which says connect your Ton wallet. So now it says here connect your wallet. And as you can see here, we have different options. We have Ton Keeper, My Ton Wallet, Ton Hub, Do Wallet, View All Wallets. So then if you want to select Ton Keeper, you're going to select that. And then what you want to do next is get the Ton Keeper app. And then once you get it, you are going to create an account and it's going to appear here. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.